Matapos ang panalo kanina ng Onyx Philippines kontra sa Aurora Gaming, Twisted Mind Philippines have locked their spot para sa MPL Philippines Season 17 playoffs. You know what time it is? Hands in. Congratulations pa rin sa Twisted Minds dahil kahit hindi nila nakuha yung playoff spot through a win na dapat sana manggagaling sa kanila, they were still able to make it to the postseason. At sila yung panglimang team na makikita natin sa San Juan Arena. With the recent events circulating this team, sobrang admired ko yung squad na ito dahil ever since nakarating ang Twisted Minds organization sa MPL Philippines, ay hindi pa sila nagmimintis ng playoffs. Kahit nasabihin natin na medyo sabit sila, it's always the 5th or the 6th spots, hindi pa din sila nawawala. Little by little, madedevelop ng mga rookies dati yung experience na ngayon ay nakuha na nila. Beating some teams para malagay sila sa middle of the pack towards Season 17. I'm sure you guys are also seeing yung mga issues circulating the organization. And that will probably be the main concern that I will have towards this team. Sure, sobrang laki talaga ng naging impact ni Tracy dun sa pagdating niya because it kind of gave command para sa Twisted Minds na merong bosses that will consistently be saying something. At para naman sa organization, since a lot of former players and former coaches have opened this up, yung iba sa kanila, hindi pa nila nakukuha yung salaries nila from last year, bukod sa sana makuha na nila, ay hindi rin sana mangyari yun sa current roster na meron to ngayon. Because again, it's tough. There's the glitz and the glamour of being an esports athlete na palaging nananalo. They have been glorified. They have been tested so many times. Pero paano naman yung mga laging nasa kalagitnaan na walang masyadong inaabangang tournament talaga? It's tough for those guys too. They have families to feed, dreams to build, and those salaries might really be very important for them to not only live and survive, but also develop in terms of the game. Kasi kapag nakuha mo yung pera na yun, let's be real, wala ka na talaga masyadong iisipin kundi maglaro na lang. I just hope it goes for the better, and I'm really hoping that Twisted Minds can actually figure something out with the organization and its players, whichever the players lack the salary.